Install R100 camera. Align the red point. Adjust the M mode. Install the battery. Put the wire next to it. Click Menu and turn on the camera. Enter function setting. Select the second option, power saving. Auto power off and select disable. 4. Custom functions others. Release shutter W or O lens enable. Press menu function settings OK. Turn off. Fix the camera on the frame with screw. Connect to the data cable. Download and install the software. Installation type: customized. Set up the target folder by yourself. Check all and cut. Open file location. Paste and replace target file. Open the software. Video right-click camera settings. Focus mode quick manual focus autofocus. Adjust camera until crossbar is parallel to the frame.